Yo G's, I'm back again. It's a boy Rico's Beat, and then you're all welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can mix your easy vocals inside Cubase 14. Alright, so right now I got some vocals here, which is raw vocal, and then I'm gonna put some effects on it to make it sound professional. So without wasting much, I'm gonna play this, and then after I will show you how you can do it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give comment on it, share to other people so that they can also enjoy the good things that we are doing. All right, so let me play this, and then after it I'll show you before and then. All right, before and after. Okay.
Mediano, Cool J. And tonight if you hear me screaming on top of my voice, it be you where they make me crazy. You for know, my baby, so mommy, baby, my happiness can comfort me. And if I see your face, I go be happy. I know the lie, I don't try chasing you just to make you my wifey. And you're not help on the day. Sana ubesa na fe. Kepe me kama no kama Mubi ya muse mediano. Famu tuma bemba mediano. Mediano anyeno no kulije iseso.
Alright, so this is how it is. So as you can see, it's very raw. There's nothing on it, and then we're gonna apply our plugins on it for us to get our results. Alright, once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I go by the name Rico's Beat. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my auto tune on this. So which auto tune should I use? Okay, let's go. Pitch shift, and then let's go to, I think, okay, this one, and then auto tune. Okay, let's choose artist. Okay, so boom, now the auto tune has been appear on our screen. So first of all, I think this song is already major play, so let's put on major, and then let's select our key here. Let's put our tune speed fast to fast so that we can get our results very fast. Okay, so
night if you hear me screaming on top of my voice, it be you where they make me crazy.
I think it's this one. Very simple, so let's go.
Cool J. And tonight if you hear me screaming on top of my voice, it be you where they make me crazy. You for know, my baby, so mommy, baby, my happiness can comfort me. And if I see your face, I go be happy. I know the lie, I don't try chasing you just to make you my wifey. And you're not help on the day. Sana ubesa na fe. Kepe me kama no kama Mubi ya muse mediano. Famu tuma bemba mediano. Mediano anyeno no kulije iseso.
Alright, it means our auto tune is complete. So let's put this one outside. Okay, let's put it outside. Let's put it somewhere. Then let's move on. I'm gonna add some modulation to this. So I'll be going for, I think, doubler. So let's choose our doubler from here. Doubler. Okay, let's go for this. So let's play.
You where they make me crazy. You for know, my baby, so mommy, baby, my happiness can comfort me. And if I see your face, I go be happy. I know the lie, I don't try chasing you just to make you my wifey. And you're not help on the day.
You see, I only need the highs to be modulated, so that is why I've been cutting up to 1K. So you just see how it is.
Sana ubesa na fe. Kepe me kama no kama Mubi ya muse mediano. Famu tuma bemba mediano.
Alright, so I think it's good, and then we have done with this one. So what I'm gonna do, I've already sent this channel to my group channel. So I'm gonna open my group channel, which is, of course, I call it group 1. So I'll be moving straight to my group 1, which there is nothing on this spot. So I'm gonna apply my compressor to this. Okay, this time around I'll be going for different compressor for this vocal. All right, so here we go. Okay, let's go for vintage compressor. I think we're gonna try something on this one. Okay.
Cool J. And tonight if you hear me screaming on top of my voice, it be you where they make me crazy. Yeah. You for know, my baby, so mommy, baby, my happiness can comfort me. And if I see your face, I go be happy. I know the lie, I don't try chasing you just to make you my wifey. And you're not on a day.
Okay, let's see without the compressor and after the compressor. Let's see how it should be.
Night if you hear me screaming on top of my voice, it be you where they make me crazy. Yeah. You for know, my baby, so mommy, baby, my happiness can comfort me.
Alright, so I think it's enough. And then we are still moving on. We're gonna add our reverb to it. So let's see how it's gonna be. Okay, I got okay, let me use this vintage reverb for this vocal. All right.
On top of my voice, it be you where they make me crazy. Yeah. You for know, my baby, so mommy, baby, my happiness can comfort me. And if I see your face, I go be happy. I know the lie, I don't try chasing you just to make you my wifey. And you're not happy on a day. Sana o best sana fe. Prepare me kama no kama Mopia muse mediano. Famo to my member mediano. Mediano. No, cool J. Night if you hear me screaming on top of my voice, it be you where they make me crazy. Yeah.
Okay, let's reduce the modulation. Okay.
You for know, my baby, so mommy, baby, my happiness can comfort me. And if
okay, now let's we're gonna set our EQ. This is how it's gonna be. Studio EQ for here. We are looking for studio EQ. Studio EQ. Where is it? Oh my god. Okay, boom. We got our studio EQ right now here. So let's see how you're gonna do with this.
On top of my voice, it be you where they make me crazy. Yeah. You for know, my baby, so mommy, baby, my happiness can comfort me. And if I see your face, I go be happy. I know the lie, I don't try chasing you just to make you my wifey. And you're not happy on a day. Sana o best sana fe. Prepare me kama.
Okay, let's move on to our de-esser. We don't have time. Okay.
On top of my voice, it be you where they make me crazy. Yeah. You for know, my baby, so mommy, baby, my happiness can comfort me. And if I see your face, I go be happy.
Okay. So we are here to get our results. So I think we have to add something, or we have to add restorations to it. Let's move on. Okay.
Happy, I know the lie, I don't try chasing you just to make you my wifey. And you're not happy on a day. Sana o best sana fe. Prepare me kama no kama Mopia muse mediano. Famo to my member mediano.
Okay, I think it's cool. Still I have to add some EQ to it. Let's go for this one.
Mediano. You where they make me crazy. Yeah. You for know, my baby, so mommy, baby, my happiness can comfort me. And if I see your face, I go be happy.
Okay, I think it's cool. So let's add another compressor to it.
Happy, I know the lie, I don't try chasing you just to make you my wifey. And you're not happy on a day. Sana o best sana fe. Prepare me kama no kama Mopia muse mediano. Famo to my member mediano. No, cool J.
Okay, let's add our delay to it. So let's play with it.